Let us learn about a few more functions for strings in JavaScript. So here we have two text fields, text1 and text2, and when we click the button, we call the function process. So let's say we're getting these two text fields as INP value 1 and INP value 2. What we want to check out and print are, say, convert this value into a uppercase or a lowercase. What do we want to do? So we can say where, say, upper 1 is equal to INP value 1 dot to uppercase. So this will convert it into uppercase and I can just log it. So console.log uppercase is equal to upper 1. Similarly, we can make it to lowercase. So lower 1 is INP value 1 dot to lowercase. And I can print it. So I can say console.log lowercase equal to lower 1. So lower 1. So we have printed it as uppercase and lowercase on the log. Let's run this code and check it. So this is our text field 1. We could have also just said tx text1 so that we are clear about it, and we could have said text2 so that it's easier for us. So let's say the string was hello. Now when I click on process, uppercase has become HELLO and lowercase has become hello. If I say edufect JavaScript, so uppercase is all uppercase, lowercase has become lowercase. That's what we wanted. Let's say we want to modify it and we want to find the substring. So how will we do it? So substring is finding the part of a string. So let's say we say where sub1 is equal to INP value 1 dot substring. And what is the substring we want? We want the first 5 characters. So let's say we will now print it console.log substring 0, 5 is equal to sub1. Let's run this code and let's see what do we get. So if we say JavaScript, so we are getting the first 5 characters. So substring is starting from 0 and we are going on till 5. So the first 5 characters at index 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are getting JavaScript. Suppose we wanted the first 4 characters, we could have said 0, 4. And if we run it again and if I give the input again as JavaScript, what should be the log? Java, because it's taking it from 0, 4. We could have started the substring from any point. So we could have said 2, 5. So it will get us characters at index 2, 3 and 4. So what is character at index 2? If I give the input as say JavaScript, let's try it again. So JavaScript, character at index 2 is V, 3 is A and S. That's what we will get, 2, 3 and 4. So we get VAS. And this is a printing mistake. I should have said 2, 5 here. So this is one way of doing substring. The other thing I can say is where sub1 is equal to let's call it sub2 is INP value dot substring, let's say 4. And let me again say console dot log substring 4 is equal to sub2. Let's run this code again. So what is our string? Say JavaScript Inp value is not defined. Which line number? 18 we are getting an error. So yes, should be 1. Let's run it again. JavaScript. So 2,5 is VAS. Substring 4 means if we just give it 4, so it will start from character index 4 to the end. So index 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3. It is starting from S till the end. So if you want to start from the start, we can give 0 and number of characters. If we want starting from a point till the end, we just give it starting from that point till the end. So this is what we did with substring. There's another function we want to check, which is equality, which is why we gave two strings. So let's delete this part. We can check whether these two text strings are the same or not. So we can say var eq1 is equal to input value 1 double equal to input value 2. So if these two values are equal, if the strings are equal, eq1 will be true, otherwise it will be false. So we can say console.log eq1, or we can say the strings are the strings equal, or let's say same, which is what it means, and eq1 will tell us. So let's run this code. Now what do we get? So let's say we say hello, hello. If we process it, the strings are the same, true. If we make it say hello 1 and hello 2, are they same? No, they are false. We can also clear the console each time using this button, which is saying clear console, so that we don't get this, we're getting value false. If it is hello and hello 2, what do we get? They are still false. If we say hello and hello, what do we get? They are false. So this comparison is all case sensitive and it will do it. If we put in numbers, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, what do we get? We get it as true. So this will compare those strings. So this is also useful in comparing strings and checking whether they have the same value or